Hi everyone. We are getting ready for a snowstorm, and so I just want to go out and get gas today. And that's it. That's Simba painting. So yeah, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. It is, oh stop it, it's a car. 8:34. It's actually 8:40 a.m. But it's 34 degrees. It's that weird weather where you know it's gonna snow because it's cold but not super cold. The humidity is really high. So we're expecting snow to start this morning, I believe, up until 2 p.m. Or maybe it's gonna start at 2 p.m. I don't know. You know, weather and meteorology and all that stuff. It's all a science, and science is questionable. So yeah. So we're just gonna do what we can now, because once I get cozy, I have my Bible to read. I started I'm participating in, get out of my face, you funky breath. I'm participating in a women's Bible study class, and we have homework to do. And I'm normally excited for homework, period, but when it's biblical homework, I can't wait to dive in. And yeah, so I don't know why this angle is so weird, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to Wawa, to the Wawa, to get some gas so I can continue accumulating points. I don't know if people use points on everything. Basically, you can get points for cash back, for dependent on the business, dependent on the company. Sometimes it's based on using a particular credit card. Sometimes it's just the, like 7-Eleven. If you have the 7-Eleven app, you can, oh, I didn't signal. If you have the 7-Eleven app, you can get points for every $1 you spend, and then those accumulate and you wind up getting free stuff. So, well, not free, but sort of free. Anyway, so yeah, so that's why I come to I will be right back. Okay, done gassing up, and now just going back home, because I got homework to do. Serious me? Move back. I have to put up my railing. I have this rail. If you've watched some of my prior videos, it's kind of like it's not kind of like, it's a separation from the back seat to the front, so that these two knuckle noses, even when they're strapped in, they're strapped into their doggy harness. God forbid we're in an accident, they don't go through the windshield. But I took it off when I went solo backpacking in November. And then I got sick, and I haven't been out since, so I haven't put it back on. But now that I'm feeling better and making plans, or have plans already kind of in play, just have to confirm a few things, I'll be going out shortly. What are you doing? I'll be going out shortly again. Yeah, I'm so excited. But Definitely gonna take it easy and not, oh yeah, of course it's deactivated because these goobers deactivated it. Every time I leave them in the car, because they're going back and forth, they push buttons. That's why, I can't wait till I get my Suburban because it doesn't have all of these fancy buttons here. Everything is here on the dash, or like even my gear shift is on the neck of the steering wheel. So I can't wait. Well, I can't wait to get the car. I am budgeting for the gas because it's definitely gonna be what replaces a monthly rent payment is gas. But we will have so much more space to sleep, space for storage. Right, Papa Lapa Lapa? Right, Bushu Bushu? So yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. But, so yes, so I'm going, making plans to go back out again. My goal is to, my ear is ringing, to revisit the Northeast area that I couldn't fully enjoy because I got sick. So, but that's not going to be until the fall, where I'm going back to upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts. But I think I'm just going to start my travels. Well, clearly I got to leave from Pennsylvania, but I'm going to incorporate Maine into that trip. But that's not going to be until the fall. I want to get some winter camping in. Even if I just do a few solo one-night stays. I actually used the camera that time and didn't get dizzy. I usually get dizzy using this camera. It's kind of dirty though. I hit myself with the seat. Okay, be right back. I had to come back out again, but I left the dogs home. I had to pick up my kachava, my food, my protein, my energy, my kachava. So I've picked that up and now I'm going back home again. This gas, man, I tell ya. I know why my gas is going down so quickly. I need an oil change. So I'm getting one on Friday. And that's all. I don't have much to say today. I'm just very excited, but very content. I can't drive with these. I'm very content. Yeah. No drama in my life. The Lord is pushing me in so many different ways where he's keeping all distractions away and he's helping me to focus on the tasks at hand. And thank God he's doing that, because my focus is crapola at times. Sometimes I can super focus. I even have this app on my phone. Do I still have it on there? I think I do. It's called Sappingly. And you basically set the timer for how long you want to have focus, like whatever the task is that you're working on. And you set the timer and it plants a seed. And then at the end of that duration of time, then you have a tree. I love that app. I'm pretty sure I still have it. The fact that I don't know whether I have it or not means that I haven't been using it enough, which could also mean that I've been more focused when I am working at my tasks, or I'm so scattered that I forget to put it on. So But I'm pretty sure I still have it. And I'm so happy that I'm getting my oil changed. This Friday, I'm going for my inspection, which was due in December. Somebody riding dirty. Oh, and I have to check my registration. I know my insurance is good. I have to make sure my registration is good. I'm pretty sure it is. Not 100% sure, but it should be okay. Yeah, I gotta check that. I was gonna go to storage. You know what? Let me go to storage right now. No. Because going to storage right now is just going just to go. It's just going to look at my storage unit. There's nothing to look at. My stuff is in storage. I just want to look through it. But today's not the day to do that because that would be wasting gas. And I'm trying to conserve my gas to last me until Wednesday, maybe. I'm on a super budget. Super duper budget. I'm trying to save. I have an amount I'm trying to save for by the end of the year so I can do what I need to do without backtracking. So, got lots of stuff going on. But anyway, I hope everyone is had a wonderful weekend. It's still the weekend. For those that have off tomorrow for Martin Luther King Day, it is considered a day of service. So I'm interested in what type of service you're going to provide. Where are you volunteering? Where are you going to be servicing your time for others? I'd be interested in here. I remember when I was in New York, my middle son, he volunteered, what's the name of the thing? What was the name of it? AmeriCorps. Is it AmeriCorps? City Kids. I think they're connected to AmeriCorps. Maybe. I don't remember. But he was a volunteer for City Kids. And I don't know if anyone who's from New York or visited New York around that time, it would have been 15, no, longer. It would have been maybe it would have been about 17, 18 years ago when the yellow taxis in Midtown Manhattan had all of those flowers on them, like those, they looked like flower decals, but they weren't. They were actually, no, they were decals. Now that I think about it. But it was the City Year kids or City Year volunteers that painted those flowers. I remember us being in this massive gymnasium and we were all painting. And then the kids got to put their initials on their flower. It was pretty fun. But it was on Martin Luther King. That was the service day. We did that. We did a lot with City Year. And I'm saying we because I was always his volunteer. His chaperone. Because it was all outdoors nature stuff. And not many parents wanted to volunteer. I was all in it. We went camping one time. It was freezing. Bitter cold freezing. But the parents were the ones that did all the cooking for the kids while they were out doing all their activities. It was a fun time except for the cold. And I love cold, but we were ill prepared for the temperature drop. So, but it was fun. It was a good memory. And now I am definitely gonna stop at the park to see what books there are. I'm going to catch some Pokemon, and because there's max raids going on, and I need to up my max stuff. So I'm gonna do that just for a little while, and then I'm gonna head back home and do my Bible study work. Someone has their fireplace going. Oh, that smells so good. Oh Lord, that smells so good. Thank you for the natural resources they have to keep themselves warm. I'll be doing that one day. One day, one day. I don't know why I'm leaning forward like that, driving. Like Mrs. Magoo. But yeah, I'm just driving. That's all. Just driving and chit-chatting. And bringing you along for the chit-chat and for the drive. I'm usually talking to God like this. I'm like, hey God. Hey God, did you see that deer over there? Oh my goodness, Jesus, look at that rainbow, if there's a rainbow or whatever. Now I'm talking to you all. Well, you know what? There's probably going to be church service going on here. Yep. That's okay. You're on the wrong side of the road, dear friend. You are totally on the wrong side of the road. Oh my goodness. I don't understand how people got their driver's license. But before we play Pokey, let's go look at some books. Let's go look at some books. It is starting to snow. I guess it's not starting at 2 p.m. Maybe it's going from now until then. I don't know. Either way, I got some books. 2 of them I'm really interested in. This one is Cityscape, Kathmandu. Just tells you about the city. This one is A Tree Grows in Brooklyn, a profoundly moving novel and an honest and true one. It cuts right to the heart of life, by Betty Smith. This is a thick one. So these thicker ones, these ones I like because I could bring them backpacking. They're small, they're compact, and they'll take me a minute to read. This one by David Platt is called Radical. David Platt challenges Christians to wake up, trade in false values rooted in the American dream. I don't know why I'm squinting when my glasses are right here. I literally do that all the time. Challenges Christians to wake up, trade in false values rooted in the American dream, and embrace the notion that each of us is blessed by God for a global purpose. This is a must-read for believers. Taking Back Your Faith from the American Dream, Radical. This one I'm going to read today. And then the other one is The Power to Heal by Francis MacNutt, O.P. I don't know what O.P. is. A moving and powerful witness to the healing action of the Spirit, by the author of Healing, the breakthrough bestseller on the healing ministry in the Catholic Church. He's one of the first priests to be involved in the Catholic Charismatic Renewal. He is on the advisory committee of National Catholic. Yeah, nah. This one's going back. This one is definitely going back. Be right back. Let's put this one back. It's starting to snow. Alrighty. Put that back, and now I'm going home so I can make my cassava shake. Oh, I love that stuff. I got the vanilla, and I got a new acai. I'll tell you in a second. Hold on a moment. Acai coconut, maybe? I don't know. Hold on. Hold on one moment, please. Actually, I'm gonna take this out now so I can dump the box. See? Oh, they changed the packages. So I got vanilla. This one is so good. It tastes like a for when back in the day when McDonald's shake machines used to be working on a regular basis, it tastes like a McDonald's milkshake. And then this one is coconut acai. The optimal blend of superfoods, protein, essential vitamins, minerals, greens, probiotics, prebiotic fiber, adaptogens, antioxidants, omegas, MCTs, digestive enzymes, and more. No GMO, no gluten, no dairy, no soy, no stevia, no preservatives, no artificial flavors or sweeteners. That's what I need. I wonder how it tastes. I don't know, but I love cassava. I stopped using it for a little while because my packages kept being stolen, and they don't sell this in stores. It's a membership order, whatever the heck. So, not that they're not stealing them now, but still, I have to get a U.S. Not U.S. Postal Service. No, I have to get a UPS mailbox, so I can get my mail there and my packages. There are several around here. I used to have one, but I never really used it. It was when I first moved here. I had all my mail forwarded. And it doesn't give you a P.O. box. It's an actual mailing address, which is good, because a lot of places won't let you register for anything if it's a P.O. box. So I think the post office does that now as well, but you have to pay an extra fee, I believe. I don't know. I'm making stuff up off the top of my head, but I know for a UPS store, they do provide an actual mailing address. So anyway, all right, I am headed back home, and that's all. I hope you're all enjoying your weekend. Be well, be safe, be kind to yourself and others. See you in the next one. Adios, amigos.